Good evening, student. Ninth standard, social science. In geography, unit third, atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The atmosphere is comprised of layer based on temperature. These layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, meosphere, and thermosphere. Further, the region at about 500 kilometer above the Earth's surface is called a exosphere. An atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding our Earth planet or other celestial body. Earth's atmosphere is composed about nearly 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, and 1% other gases. Atmosphere is very essential for life on Earth. Without atmosphere, we can't able to live in Earth. The atmosphere containing the air that we breathe protect us from the harmful radiation of the sun, that is ultraviolet rays like that, help to keep the planet heat on the surface and play a very important role in the water cycle. Now move to lesson learning objectivities. To understand the composition and structure of the atmosphere, to differentiate the weather and climate. What is weather and climate? To correlate the factor influencing the weather and climate. What are the factors determine the weather and climate? To recognize the classification of clouds, wind, and rainfall. Introduction. The Earth is a unique planet where life is found. Can you imagine life on the Earth without air? No. We can't able to live without air or oxygen in the Earth planet. So the air is essential for the survival of all form of life. The blanket of air that surround the Earth is called the atmosphere. It is held close to the Earth by gravitational attraction. Composition of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases. Already I tell you, water vapor and dust particles in a different proportion. Nitrogen 78%. And oxygen 21% of the permanent gas of the atmosphere. They constitute 99% of the total composition of the air, percentage always remaining same without any change. The remaining other gases percentage occupied argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, neon 0.0018%, helium 0.0005%, ozone 0.00006%, hydrogen 0.0005%, and also some other gases. Apart from that, the other solid particles present in the atmosphere include dust particles, salt particles, pollen grains, some smoke, soot, volcanic ashes, etc. Soot also a type of smoke. Oxygen is the most important for living organism. Without oxygen, we can't able to survive in our planet. CO2 absorb heat and keep the atmosphere warm by insulation and radiation. Nitrogen acts as a diluent and it's a chemically inactive. Ozone layer help in protecting the earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from sun. The solid particles in the atmosphere act as nucleus on which water vapor condenses to form the precipitation, that is moisture. Structure of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is comprised of layer based on temperature. Different temperature, different layers we have in atmosphere. These layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, meosphere and thermosphere. A further region at about 500 km above the earth surface is called a exosphere. Atmosphere is a thick layer near the earth surface and thin out until they eventually merge with space. The five atmospheric layers are troposphere, stratosphere, meosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Now see one by one. Troposphere. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is the troposphere. The layer extends up to 8 kilometers at the poles and up to 18 kilometers of the equator. That is, equator means the line divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The temperature decreases with increased height. Almost all weather phenomena take place in this layer, hence it is called a weather making layer. Rainfall, cloud cover, all is occur this layer only. Stratosphere. Stratosphere lie above the troposphere. It extends to height about 50 km above the earth's surface. Since this layer is a concentration of ozone molecules, it is also referred as ozone sphere. Its layer provides safeguard to our earth planet. The temperature increase with increasing the height in this layer. Meosphere. Meosphere extends between 50 km and 80 km where temperature decreases with increasing height. Radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to earth from this layer. Thermosphere. Thermosphere exists above the meosphere. It extends to about 600 km from the earth's surface. The composition of the gas in the layer very low. Thermosphere is more or less uniform. Here the temperature increases with increasing height. Exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is called the exosphere. This layer is extremely rarefied with gas and gradually merge with the outer space. Weather and climate. First of all, what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere and its short-term variation in minutes to week. People generally think of weather as the combination of temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, visibility and wind. Weather on Earth is caused by heat from the sun and movement of the air or moisture. There are five type of weather factors: sunny, cloudy, windy, snow and rainy. What is climate? Climate is the average weather in a given area over a longer period of time, usually taken over 30 to 35 years. The main cause of climate change is the greenhouse effect, that is greenhouse gases. It could be a change in how much rain a place usually get in a year. Climate change is also change in earth climate also. Weather and climate are the terms that are related to the atmospheric condition. Factor influence weather and climate. There are many factors. Distance from the equator, altitude, nearness to the sea, nature of the prevailing wind, mountain barrier, cloud cover, ocean current, natural vegetation. See one by one. Distance from the equator. The sun's rays fall vertically on the equator. Already I told you, equator is a line dividing the earth into north and southern hemisphere. Thus, the place near the equator are warmer than the place which are far away from the equator. Altitude. So height. Altitude refer to the height above mean sea level. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degree per kilometer of the height from the sea level. This is called a normal lapse rate. Nearness to the sea. The climate of a place vary according to its nearness to the sea. Nearest to seashore region, the temperature is low. Place near the coast experience equable climate due to the influence of the wind from the sea. During the day, the land must get heated more rapidly than in the ocean areas. Therefore, the wind blow from ocean to land in the afternoon. This is called a sea breeze. Sea breeze help to reducing the temperature of the coastal region, especially during the summer season. During the night, the land cools more rapidly than in the ocean. So cold air sink and form high pressure. The wind blow from land to sea during the night. This is called a land breeze. Nature of prevailing winds. Prevailing winds means the winds are that blow constantly in a given direction, particular direction. The wind change the climate of the place based on from the where they blow, which direction. When wind blow from warm region, it make the place warm, and cold region, the blow from colder region. Mountain barriers. The location of the mountain influence the climate of the place. The mountain chain acts as natural barrier for the wind. The windward side is the side of the mountain which faces the prevailing wind. It receives the heavy rainfall. The leeward side, the other part of the mountain, other side of the mountain is the side sheltered from the wind. It receives very less rainfall. Cloud cover. Clouds reflect a large amount of radiation from the sun. This prevents the entry of the heat to the earth's surface. So in area generally of cloudless sky like the desert, temperature is very high. In desert region temperature is high because cloudless sky. On the other hand, under cloudy sky the temperature is low. Ocean current. What is ocean current? Ocean currents are the continuous predictable directional movement of sea water driven by gravity and wind. The warm ocean current raises the temperature of the nearby coastal areas, while the cold current lower the temperature of the place. Natural vegetation. The trees release water vapor into the air and make it cool. That's why in the forest areas have lower range of temperature throughout the year. In contrast, the desert region or non-forest area is temperature is high. Difference between weather and climate. Weather is a study of atmospheric condition in short duration over a small area. Study of atmospheric condition means that is temperature, humidity, precipitation, cloudiness, visibility and wind. Climate is a study of the average weather condition observed over a long period of time for a larger area. Weather change very often, hour to hour and day to day. Every minute the weather is change. Climate is more or less permanent and remain the same always. Like hill stations, Ooty, Kodaikanal, like that. A place can experience different type of weather condition in a day. Example, day with a hot morning can have a rainy in the noon. A place can experience almost the same type of climate, constant climate. Weather data is collected every day in observatories through meteorological department. Climate is average of the weather data. Study of weather is called meteorology. Study of climate is called climatology. Okay student, we may continue this lesson next class. Thank you student. Please follow the assignment given in the PDF. Thank you.